This is my review of the Chefman 6 quarts air fryer. Before I used my Chefman air fryer, I put one Baker's Signature air fryer liner in the basket. And spray some non-stick cooking oil on the liner to make sure the food won't stick to the liner. Then I put the food that I am going to cook in the fryer basket. And close the fryer basket. Now I select the temperature and the frying time and start the Chefman fryer. When the air fryer finishes cooking, I remove the food from the fryer. These are some of the foods that I had cooked on my Chefman fryer. The best way to learn how to use a Chefman air fryer is by following the instruction booklet.
Beautiful. Perfect. Perfect. So here it says high fry button. On the box it shows that it should be right there, but on mine there is no high fry button. There's just a temperature button. The basket is not as deep as the one I had, not as big as the one I had. So I'm not sure if they sent me the right one or not, but according to the box, it is a 6 quart. So I'm gonna keep it, but I'm not sure. I really was looking forward to the high fry.
it 3 times, and I just turned off no power. No power. Middle of cooking wings. Don't buy this.